Welcome to India Innovation Challenge anchored by IIM Bangalore. The product that we are developing is TruthTrack. Now, we are students of the Anand Sagar College of Engineering. Our product is being done under the mentorship of Mr. Sandeep. The problem that we are trying to address is this. Now, many times we have heard of workers working in hazardous conditions like coal miners and manual laborers getting sucked under the ground because of landfills or any other reasons, and because of which they might be losing their life or getting severely hurt or injured. Also, we have seen of cases wherein the people in the borders are losing their lives and sometimes getting very severely hurt because of lack of surveillance or maybe faulty surveillance. Now, in order to solve these problems, we have come up with this product named as TruthTrack, wherein the person will be tracked in real time. What we will be doing is tracker will be sensing his temperature, his heartbeat, and his real-time location and updating it in the server. Now, this video will explain the marketing strategies that we will be taking into consideration in developing the product. The next slide will talk about the first segment, which is our pricing strategy.
The product is priced at Rs 4,500 with an expected profit margin of Rs 350. The following price breakup will explain the reasoning behind our pricing. The first is microcontroller, which we have used is Texas Instruments. It costs us Rs 870. Similarly, GSM and GPS will cost us 900 and 850, and all other sensors considering all other prices will sum up to Rs 4,570. If we get a discount of Rs 10 to 15% on bulk order, we are planning to keep our price our product at Rs 4,500.
Next is a product differentiation segment. Our product is different from other products in the following ways. It is a price leader as it is priced at Rs 4,500, which for now is the lowest in the market. It is an innovative product as taking in account the biometric sensors and all the technical know-hows. It is very innovative in its approach. The usability taking account is very user-friendly. The product can be used by any person without knowing the technical knowledge of it. The service we are intending to provide is 1 year of free service for the product with any software or hardware technical glitch, whichever is there, we are able to solve it with 24/7 customer service guarantee. The product awareness, we are trying to go through this using the social media and the local partnership. The social media nowadays we know has a huge impact on the market. Our next segment is product awareness. The product awareness actually deals with the way we can create awareness in the market, that is actually reach the audience as a whole. The methods that we are using for increasing the product awareness are social media. Nowadays, taking in account the Facebook, Twitter, Google Plus, they have had a huge market in the last decade and has helped boost the product awareness and also the reach to the audience as a large number. Creating a product awareness through social media will give a boost to our product as it will reach the large number of audience and a diverse audience. Local partnerships, we can reach to the local audience through local partnership, which can help us getting up to the industries where the product can be used, and also locally the product can be advertised through these local partnerships, and further advertisements can be made through TV advertisements and newspaper advertisements and all other printing advertisements in the form of pamphlets to increase our popularity in the market and also the increase in the demand. Also, rural areas, we can create awareness of our product through the live demonstration and maybe even selling our product to some industries in order to get some feedback, and genuine feedback can be used to even promote our product to the next level.
In this segment, we will talk about the distribution strategy that we will be using in order to deliver our product. Now, what we are thinking is of setting up an online store wherein the user can or the customer can directly access our product from his home. Also, in the near future, we have plans of setting up a physical store wherein the customer can just walk in and have a look at our products. In that way, we'll be also saving up on the delivery cost and other means of transport. There is also an option of third-party e-commerce websites wherein we can tie up with them and sell our product through their already existing portal. Now that will also help us in delivery system, where because those websites already have their own delivery system, which is quite reliable since they have been existing from past few decades. So, and there is also the option of reference from tie-ups, wherein we can utilize our tie-ups with already existing organization, wherein they can refer our product to other organizations of similar nature. In that way, we'll also be advertising our product in another way and also delivering them. Plus, there is also an option of demonstrations in workshops and any other technofest or something of similar nature, wherein we can demonstrate our product and at the same time sell them on the spot. And we are also planning of providing a 5% margin of profit to the distributors, which will also help us in keeping our product very cheap and at the same time help us in creating profit.